Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create wedding invitations in Canva. Whether you're planning your own big day or helping a friend, this is a fun and affordable way to design something beautiful. Let's dive in. First, head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's free and quick. Once logged in, go to the search bar at the top, type in wedding invitation and press enter. Canva will display dozens of professionally designed templates. Now, browse through the options until you find one that matches your style. Whether you want modern, traditional, or something whimsical, there's a design for every theme. Once you've chosen one, click on it, then select Customize this template. Inside the design editor, start by editing the text. Just click on any text box to change names, dates, times, or locations. You can also adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to match your wedding theme. Don't stop at the text. Explore Canva's tools on the left-hand side. You can swap backgrounds, add decorative elements, or even upload your own images. Take your time experimenting until the invitation feels uniquely yours. Once you're happy with your design, pause and carefully review every detail. Double-check spellings, names, and dates to avoid mistakes before sending them out. When everything looks perfect, click the download button. Canva lets you save as a print-ready PDF for physical invitations or as an image file if you're sending them digitally. And that's it. You've just created your own wedding invitations in Canva. It's quick, fun, and budget-friendly. Thanks for watching and happy designing.